3 U.S. governors lift school mask rules. 3 governors in the U.S. Northeast announced Monday that they will lift mask mandates in schools as coronavirus cases and hospitalizations continue to fall across the United States. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy is removing the requirement effective March 7, while Delaware Governor John Carney is doing the same on March 31. After their announcements, Connecticut Governor Ned Lamont confirmed the state won't extend the school mask mandate past February 28. In New York State, where school mask mandates are set to expire on February 21, Governor Kathy Hochul has hinted at changing the masking requirements amid the fall in virus infections in the state. Its weekly COVID-19 case count plunged 43% last week. We'll be making some announcements in the short term as we see these numbers progressing, she said Friday, according to the New York Post. The announcements by New Jersey, Delaware, and Connecticut leave just over a dozen states, as well as the District of Columbia, that haven't ended student mask requirements. As of Monday, about 60% of the top 500 school districts in the U.S. required that students and staff wear masks in classrooms, according to the Data Service Bureau, which has tracked school policy through the pandemic. The Supreme Court of Virginia on Monday rejected on procedural grounds a petition from parents seeking to invalidate Republican Governor Glenn Youngkin's executive order prohibiting schools from enforcing mask mandates in the classroom. Balancing public health with getting back to some semblance of normalcy is not easy, Murphy tweeted Monday in making his announcement. But we can responsibly take this step due to declining COVID numbers and growth in vaccination. This is a huge step back to normalcy for our kids, he said. In New Jersey, there were 1,490 new daily cases reported Monday, down from a high of 33,459 on January 7, driven by a surge in testing around the December holidays. The U.S. is seeing coronavirus cases and COVID-19 hospitalizations decline or stabilize, particularly in regions like the Northeast, following a surge fueled by the Omicron variant. New infections nationwide have plunged 61% since peaking less than a month ago, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Daily cases are averaging just over 313,000 per day, a decline from when they were averaging more than 800,000 at the height of the Omicron surge on January 15. Hospitalizations also are dropping across the country, with the average number of new patients being admitted per day just under 14,000. Scott Gottlieb, former Food and Drug Administration chief, said on Face the Nation on Sunday that he expected to see more governors lift mask mandates and that we have to try to at least make sure that students in schools have some semblance of normalcy for this spring term. But some experts say it is too soon to end mask mandates in schools because vaccination isn't high enough among the school-age population, and new cases are being reported. Currently, 22.6% of Americans ages 5 to 11 and 56.4% of those ages 12 to 17 are fully vaccinated against COVID, the CDC said. The proportion of parents who have chosen vaccination for their children is very low, and we know that masking works to stop the spread of the coronavirus. Rescinding those mandates where children 5 and up spend their days, I believe we will see rapid spread, Dr. Mercedes Carnathon, Vice Chair of the Department of Preventive Medicine and a professor of epidemiology at Northwestern University Feinberg School of Medicine, told ABC News. The Associated Press contributed to this story.